What is the safety rating of all Hyundai vehicle? Safety rating is of 4.5. Okay? And we are providing 6 airbags in the car. Do you know about airbags? Yes? Protect us from the injury, from the impact. There are there are 6 airbags in the car. Two on the front side, 2 on the seat, and 2 curtain on the side both windows. There are 6 airbags in the car. Very good question he asked.